Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to enable the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. So first, what you can do in here is go ahead and go to your settings and then just scroll down and tap onto your general. On general, you can see a picture-in-picture section right there. So go ahead and tap onto picture-in-picture and toggle the start PIP automatically. So toggle it on. If it is off, just toggle it back on. So just tap onto that. And then you should be able to use the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. So what you can do next is to go to your settings here on YouTube. And then on the second part right there, you will see the general. And then in here, if you see the picture-in-picture section or you see a picture-picture section, you can go ahead and simply toggle it on and you should be able to see or enable the picture-in-picture mode on your YouTube. So that is basically how you can enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. So that is all for this video and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.